Today we're going to be going through my entry and how I like enter trades. So like we kind of did this yesterday, but I'm going to be going over how I like enter, so what I wait for, my confirmation and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'll quickly get into it. Coming into the day, we are bullish, kind of creating a retrace. Not really, we're kind of, we've made a bearish doji right now as we speak, like right now. Only time will tell. On the 4 hourly, we're kind of creating a retrace, and looks like hopefully we rally up, take out all these areas of liquidity. Before I show you guys the hourly, I want to show you guys my market milk thing, and it's looking pretty nice, but very, very volatile. GBP is getting a big sell-off right now, same with USD. Yeah, I haven't actually had a look at the history yet. USD has been bearish nearly all day, and it's back to bearish. It did go bullish for a bit, but yeah, I think GBP has been more bullish, more stable, and I reckon bullish is going to stabilize a lot more. Again, I only use this just as a little bit of an overview. So yeah, coming into the hourly, this is not good at all. Long wicks to the downside, which makes me very nervous to like kind of look for buys. We are bearish, I think, on the hourly. Yeah, we are, but we also disrespected this gap. The good thing though is we did hit equilibrium on the hourly, which is really nice, and I have this low resistance liquidity marked out if we did want to go for shorts. I'm looking for longs today. We are bullish on most time frames, so I'm looking for longs. 30-minute broke structure, and we're starting to rally, which is really nice. And I'm just kind of waiting a reaction on the 5-minute right now. We've been in mad consolidation for the whole day, just going up, down, so we'll see what happens. 15-minute, this is looking nice, perfect retrace. We barely disrespected that gap. Don't know if you'd say it is or not. Probably will wait for this close, and we also, same with equilibrium, we hit equilibrium. I think that's let me mark it out real quick. I think I can use Fibonacci on the 15-minute. It's yeah, this is actually really nice. 618 Fibonacci retracement, which is really nice. That's like the golden pocket, people say. So that's why I have it marked out. We're kind of in consolidation right now on the 15-minute. Not really, actually. We're just going up and down, but this is nice. This is where I'm starting to enter. So what we're waiting for is a break of structure, which is right here. If we get this break of structure, we're literally going to enter. So break of structure, fill in this gap, rally, and equilibrium hit, as well as I think a 618 Fibonacci retracement hit. I don't know why I said retracement hit. There was no point saying that. Yeah, we're targeting these areas of liquidity. They're like highs and stuff. This is the Asian high. Well, we got New York Stock Exchange highs, and then Asian low and New York Stock Exchange low down here. So yeah, we're targeting these. It's kind of low resistance liquidity on the higher time frames, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so that's why we're kind of targeting them. I think we're going to take them out before or if we want to rally down, but I'm also trying to catch the big extension, as we are in a gap right now. Not this gap. Price action's been very, very, very nice. Yesterday's trade we ended up losing. You may have been wondering how. It was such a perfect entry. Not entry, perfect trade. It looked like a perfect trade, but we got stopped out, I think, by market manipulation. Price ended up rallying up like we wanted it to. And what I've been kind of noticing is the price has been like hitting my first or maybe even second take profit, and then just rallying down. So it's hitting the areas of liquidity that I think price can reverse from and drawing down. So I could like go for shorts and have like my stop loss just above it. So I kind of need to improve on that. So I don't know if we want to go down or more. Fill in more gaps. I don't know. Take this low resistance liquidity out, but we'll see. So it's coming to the 5-minute, and let's quickly look for an entry now. I also like to wait for a 1-minute break of structure, which we definitely already got. And it looks like we're also getting a 1-minute fill in a gap, retracement on the 382. Don't use Fibonacci on the 1-minute. I'm just like saying it's just kind of good, not really. Fill in these gaps, which is really nice. Took out this low, starting to rally. I might enter like very, very soon. I mean, price has just been very choppy, so I kind of gotta be patient with this one. But it's looking like the ideal retracement. Maybe we'll just take out this. This is like a gap. I'll probably mark it out a bit better because I've already filled like half of it. So right here, we have 1 minute till close. So let's hope we close nice and we break structure. That is gonna be my entry. We kind of have a little bit of support here, which is really nice. I mean, it's just like an extra little thing I can add. It's a little bit of support, like more down here, sorry. And we support and we're starting to rally. So again, it's just something I used a little bit. I don't really like mainly use it because it's kind of like not my kind of thing, but you know. Looks like we're going to close bullish here. I mean, I'm not going to speak too soon, but we are starting to rally. I might have to get ready to enter, which I'm going to do that now. I don't know if I'm going to play it too risky. I want to have my stops definitely right here. So, candle closed, sorry, we got our reaction. Closed bullish, really nice. And I think we're going to enter now. Whoa, jeez, the spread is pretty high today. That makes kind of sense. We're very volatile. So I didn't set my stop loss. Nice. Stops below here, perfect. $20 stops. And take profit. Jeez, we are not going that high. Oh my gosh, where's, oh, I don't even have my take profit marked out. Take profit, last take profit, we'll go for $30, $35. That's not the worst. That's pretty nice actually. We're up $2. That's pretty cool. Nice, so we got the break of structure. That's how I kind of enter right there. And I'll show you guys the results tonight for sure. But yeah, that's kind of how I enter trades. I'll probably show you guys the results today. If not, I'm going to let you guys go. So hopefully you guys liked that video. Alright guys, so we are right now like 30 minutes into the trade. Up $10 dues right now. Hit our second take profit and can't even lose any money anymore. We hit break even, so going pretty good. I'll quickly show you guys right now. Pretty nice trade. As you can see, I think you saw that pretty good. Hopefully you guys can see that really good. Now it's only 30 minutes after we entered, but I need to get this video edited, so yeah, that's kind of it. That's how I enter the trades. I'm starting to like these videos a little bit more, like actually live trading instead of just doing trade recaps. Like, yeah, I'll do trade recaps, but I'm really liking these live trade videos. So yeah, laters guys.